Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited. It's 2019. Happy New Year. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me today, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification bell because I'm not sure when I'm going to be uploading just yet. So please do me that favor so you can see my recent videos. They're coming someday, sometime. Yeah, so stay tuned. finished look. I'll be right back. I'll get my wig laid and we done. Get dressed and we done. This was a quick video. I didn't really think about what look I was going for. I just, you know, just went with the colors I had.
They're ready. Let's go.
I'm feeling myself, 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 I'm feeling
I'm some hood girls looking back at it.
So yeah, I'm back. So this is the finished look. I don't know how you guys like this finished look. It's really simple, easy. A lot of sparkle, shiny, 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 shiny. That's from Patricia Bright, but yeah, it's a lot of sparkles. Yeah. So this is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you made it to the end, thank you. I really do appreciate it. So please subscribe, share, comment down below what you want me to do next. Do you want me to do a try on, fashion haul? Just let me know. Pranks. I don't know how that's gonna go, because I am Nigerian and we don't do pranks in our house. So let me know what you guys want to see from me. What do you guys want to see from me? So yeah, this is the finished look and I'm out. Bye. And please turn on your notification bell, okay?